All right, so now we just finished up with chapter 1. All right, and chapter 1 focused on the origin of the problem, which was excessive internet use. Okay, and then in chapter 2, we're going to discuss how the original problem has progressed. And it went from excessive internet use to excessive gaming, and we're going to show that. Okay, describe how the original problem has progressed. So the first thing you're going to do, has the problem changed over time? If so, how? Pause and then write. Has the problem changed over time? Answer that question. All right. Peter Malinsky, 2008, and Corrali et al. Found that the amount of time spent playing MMORPGs can be seen as problematic, contributing to the development of interpersonal problems. So they're setting a case here. First, it was excessive internet use. Now it's progressed into excessive internet gaming use online. Players from the World of Warcraft, WoW, and a top guild, a group of individuals who have the same goals and interests, were examined for problematic usage, which was correlated with amount of time played and personality characteristics of agreeableness, conscientiousness, neuroticism, and extroversion. Corrali et al., 2017. All right. Now, has it worsened or not? And if so, how? And then you're going to talk about, is it more widespread? And then you're going to discuss, have the person, places, or things impacted by the problem changed? All right, so we talked about, okay, WoW, the people who play WoW, there was a study done on them that showed that they were negatively impacted, that there was a correlation between the amount of time they spent playing the game and agreeableness, conscientiousness, neuroticism, and extroversion. The researchers found that the more time individuals devoted to playing WoW, the more likely they are to experience trouble in their lives, such as lack of sleep, interference with work, interference with social life, arguments in the household due to time spent playing, and neglect of important things in their life. But the correlation was moderate, suggesting that not everyone would have problems, and factors such as personality could be contributing to the correlation. All right. So this second paragraph is used to expand upon the first paragraph. So again, has the problem changed over time? If so, how? Pause the video and then write your answer to that particular question. Start the video. Has it worsened or not? If so, how? Pause the video and write your answer to that question for paragraph 2. Okay? Then once you're finished, don't worry about filtering yourself. Don't worry about how many sentences I'm writing. Just write to answer the question and include your references. Start the video. Go to the next one. Is it more widespread? Yes or no? Pause the video and answer the question. Okay? Once you answer that question, start the video. Answer the last question. Have the persons, places, or things impacted by the problem change or expanded? Include references. This means include references for everything. So, okay, we started here, internet usage. Now it's gaming. Excessive gaming, excessive internet usage has evolved into excessive gaming. All right, so once you finish with paragraph 2, then you go on to paragraph 3. All right, it's that simple. One section at a time. Just answer one of these at a time. Pause the video, answer the second one, and so on and so forth. Just focus on this paragraph. All right, then once you're done, then we go on to the next paragraph.